Hello, guys. How are you? I hope you have rested this weekend. We are going to continue working with our book, Shaping My Language, the term 2, but we are going to do other pages, okay? Go ahead. So, the idea for this week, we are going to work from the page 28 here onto the page 31. Yes, this is the activity for this week. Also, I want to introduce the topics, the points. In the first point of the page 28, you have, do you know what a dragonfly is? In the space below, write what you think a dragonfly is. What do you think a dragonfly is? Then ask your classmates what they think a dragonfly is and write their ideas in the other box. What do I mean? Here, you are going to write the things or the aspects that you consider the dragonfly is. The dragonfly is about da na na na. The dragonfly is da na na na. And here, you are going to write the aspects or the ideas that your classmates told you. My classmate told me that a dragonfly is. Yes? We go to the point number 2. Read the following poem. What is life like for a dragonfly? We are going to understand, we are going to comprehend these texts. The dragonfly. Hey, I am a dragonfly, a day tripper on the breeze, between the reeds and brushes, between the sun and the trees. I am a dragonfly, and my wings are like water, or as sharp as two swords. Two leaves made a member. I am a dragonfly, and my eyes are like glass, as round as the moon, as bright as fresh grass. I am a dragonfly, and my body is a spear, a light blue needle that my prey should fear. I am a dragonfly, I'm floating dancer. How is my life? You should know the answer. Perfect. When you have this text, you know what a dragonfly is. Okay, perfect. It could be a dragonfly. Remember, the figurative language goes beyond the literal meaning of words to give the reader new insights. Similes and metaphors are figurative language. A simile compares two things and always includes the words like or as. Example. In like or as, example, the bird's feathers were like flames of gold. A metaphor makes a comparison based on common characteristics. It does not use the words like or as. Okay? Example. Her eyes were two shiny emeralds. Okay? So, we go to the point number 3. Read the poem again. Circle the similes and underline the metaphors. Some keywords like them: behavior, dragonfly, figurative language, floating, metaphor, and simile. Here you are going to write a simile about yourself with your full attention. Remember that in class we are going to review this. The similes, that a simile compares two things and always includes the words like or as. Yes? Like the example, the bird's feathers were like flames of gold. And also we are going to check in class that a metaphor makes a comparison based on common characteristics. It does not use the word like or as. For example, her eyes were two shiny emeralds. Yes, yo, we go to the page number 29. Choose two metaphors and two similes from the poem and write them in the graphic organizer below using different words. Which one is your favorite? What is one example, another example of a simile, and tell me another example of a metaphor? Yes? Then we go to the point number 5. Work in pairs. Choose an animal from the box. Write two similes and two metaphors about its characteristics and its behavior. Of this box, you are going to choose just one. Solamente uno, guys, okay? Just one. Cat or bear or mouse or parrot or rabbit. Just one of them. Then you are going to write the animal that you chose. You are going to write here. And you are going to write two similes and two metaphors from that animal. Remember that the similes and the metaphors are on the top of this page. Then we are going to play a little game that our classmates, they have to guess. They have to give me the answer. Give me what is my animal, what is my creature if you want. Read your simile and your metaphor to the class without mentioning the name of the animal and have them guess which animal will have you written about. So the clues are going to be the two similes and the two metaphors, and the classmates, your partners, they have to guess the name of your animal, okay? Then we go to the page 30. Read the following news headlines, like the titles of the articles of news. And it says, discuss with a classmate what you think happened and in each situation and choose which is the most interesting. Yes, you're going to read this, and this with a partner, with a classmate. And you are going to describe, hey, in this news, it could happen like this and this and this. You are going to explain, you are going to talk about that situation. Yes, and choose among all of these news titles or news headlines, please, the couple you are going to identify, you are going to tell me what is the most interesting for you. Yep. Okay, for example, baby tiger found in the city. Okay, it's similar to Madagascar. Yes? This. Number 2. We are going to listen to the news reports and write the headline from the activity 1. That best fits the story. For example, with those headlines, you are going to decide what is the most appropriate, that the most correct for the audio file that you are going to listen. And remember that all the audio file and all the resources are below the actividad evaluable on Sistema 1's platform. Here, you are going to write the title or the new that you consider. Remember that you have to choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or the 6th option. You have 6 options to write here what is the headlines, the most appropriate headline. Then, according to the audio file, you are going to answer those questions. Yes? Who? Tell me the people, tell me the person, the protagonist. Yes? What the people were in the report. What happened? Tell me the situation that the news showed. When? Tell me the time. When was it? The time. For example, the year, month, day. Yeah. How? Tell me the way, the manners. how the things happened, how was the situation, how was the problem that, or the event that the report told us, and why. Tell me reasons, explanations, give me reasons about of what happened. Yes. Finally, we go to the page 31. Choose another headline from activity 1 and plan a news report. What do I mean? In this, we have 6 headlines. One of them, it was supposed to be here. You have to choose another, not the one that you wrote here. No. You have to look another headline of them, and you're going to describe here the same. Of the new headline that you chose, you're going to describe who, what, when, where, why, and how. Try to create the news. Try to create the report. And you are going to tell me who, the people or the person, the protagonist, what happened, when, the time, where, the place, why, the reasons, how, the way, the manners, okay? Then we are going to do like a little interactive activity. We are going to get into teams of five people. Plan a TV news program to broadcast the story wrote. Assign the roles of news anchor and for reporters. Give your program a name and create a slogan for it. Prepare and rehearse your program. When you are ready, present your program to your class. They are going to be the viewers. Remember that as COVID-19 problem and situation from the complete country, we cannot meet each other physically, but we have to choose another resource. We're going to create a video in 5 people, and we are going to create like a news program, a news presentation. Yes. So you're going to decide who is the news anchor, the reporters, the name of the program, and the news to present. Yeah, we are going to decide. We are going to explain in class what the idea of the video is going to be. Yes, don't worry, but be careful, and remember that you have to send to or to upload to Actividad Evaluable in a new delivery on Sistema 1's platform all these pages as evidences. Okay, remember from the page 28 until the page 31. Okay, enjoy this week, guys, and I hope your commitment. Bye bye, guys, see you.